all of these. So we have an absolute shitload of tyres, which most of them are useless because they're about 10 or 15 years old.
On the cracks,
yeah. These come in on all the wheels, and we...
You can't even put your finger in.
No, we keep the good ones, and then we chuck out the crap ones.
And then wires. These are plastic.
Yeah. So, goodbye. Some of them are cool. Imagine if they could speak, what kind of a story they'd have. One by one, Sean. If these tires could speak. This one. Oh, Jesus, Sean. There's 300 right those other ones. Fucking tight squeeze.
It's not going to go mega low or anything. But you're not planning on putting on like arches or anything like that?
That's great. Nervous, Sean. Today we have a special treat in the warehouse. It's nice when somebody actually brings something nice down. When did you import it? Was it last year?
About 2 years ago.
Alright. So yeah, it's a fresh enough import in from Japan. About 2 years. 240 Z. There's probably not that many of these in Ireland at all. Sean is nervous, he's been trying on some wheels. It's tough tires, man. What'd you say it was? This was an inspection light. They used to come off.
You kind of turn it and it pops off on a little retractable kind of springy looking.
And you used to have to root around the engine bay with it.
It's stuck up a little wee jack.
And what does that mean?